Beautiful rosy Bourkes. Hi, I'm outside with my rosy Bourke raspberry. He's just taking a sun bath right now. And I wanted to tell you that I went to a bird show yesterday. It was a young bird show, so birds that were born this year and birds that had blue bands on them. And there's Raspberry, he's singing. Hey baby. I saw some rosy Bourkes. I saw 3 of them. And I met a fan of the channel named Ased. I hope I said your name right. He came up to me and introduced me and told me he watches my videos. And he entered some of his birds to win some prizes. And I believe 4 of his birds won. And I know that the best finch was his, and it was a beautiful Gouldian finch that won. He was so proud and he looked so happy, and he was very nice, a nice person. So I was excited to meet someone that recognized me. And so I did film all the birds that I saw. There wasn't a lot of birds. It wasn't a huge show like the nationals that come once a year. That's a 2-day event with a lot of birds. This was just a quiet, relaxed show with some budgies and finches. There was some green cheeks and a lovebird and Bourkes and anyways, and canaries. You will see them. So I wanted to share with you what I saw. So enjoy. Hello. It's a beautiful English budgie. Hi. Pretty. Oh wow, this one's like huge. Look at the size of this one. Look how big this one is. Okay, this one is the biggest English budgie I've ever seen. This is a nice one. Oh, you're a pretty color. Look at you. Oh, this one's a beauty. Look at this. Adorable. Oh, hello. It's a beautiful lovebird. Hello. It's a conure. Hi. Beautiful Gouldians. They come in so many colors. Look at this one. Oh wow. That's pretty. Look at you. Gorgeous. Look at this. Orange face. A red face, black face. Oh wow, this one is so beautiful. Hi there. Gorgeous. I love these little canaries. I believe these are like 5 canaries. Yeah, they're 5 canaries. They're so small and they're round and adorable. Look at all the colors they come in. Oh, wow. Aren't they cute? Oh, they're all cute. But out of all of them, I love this one the best. This one. And this one, look at him. Like a little butterball. He's so cute. Oh my gosh, look at them. They're all so cute. Look at this one. It's so round. So round. Hey, a cutie pie. Zebra finches. Oh, this color here is beautiful. It's a Gouldian baby. Look at the beautiful markings on this one. It's pretty. I'm not sure what this one is. It's beautiful. What are you? Is that grass finches? I think this one's a shabtail. I'm not sure. This one I don't know. It's an Australian finch anyways. Hi, pretty. You're pretty too. This is a Bengalese. These ones won the second best. And these ones won third best. What are you, second best? Third best? But did you win anything yet? No, you didn't win anything yet. Some rosy Bourkes. And these are all the winners. They all got their prizes. This is the winner. Weren't the birds beautiful? I love those canaries. The little fives are so round and they look like a little tennis ball. They're so cute. I love them, and all the different colors of the Gouldians and those zebra finches. So beautiful. And the Budgies, you see that big one? It was so big. Anyways, I want to say congratulations to all the winners there, and especially Asad. He was very happy with his 4 birds that won. Forgive me if I don't know if you won any more than that, but I that's what I heard, that you won the 4 of them that were up there on the final stand. Anyway, it was a fun day. We had a good time. I was just there for a few hours and I saw all the birds. And yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.